So how do you use the spoken content on iPad? Let's explain that and let me show you how it works. So if you're new on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so inside of the settings app of your iPad, you can check out the accessibility section. And there you can see another menu which is called the Read and Speak. And there are two main ways to activate the spoken content. We have the speak screen, which as you can see, you can tap on and more things are going to appear, like more controls and like highlighting and that kind of stuff. But the way that it works is that this gets triggered by swiping down from the top edge of the screen with two fingers, right? And if there is some kind of like speakable content on the screen, it will just try, or I mean, it will usually work, right? But you will just read it out loud on to you, and it just works inside of any application. The second way is to use the speak selection method, right? So you can tap on that as well, make sure it's turned on. But this just means that whatever you are browsing, if it's a text, it might be in your notes or in a PDF or on a website, you can select that particular text. And when you select it, more things are going to appear like buttons above it. And one of them is going to be the speak option, right? So this lets you select a specific text area and make it like read it out loud to you. So this should work as well in a lot of cases. It's even better because you don't let like the whole screen be spoken to you, but only the selected text that you want. So these are the main ways of how it functions. Hit the thumbs up if it worked for you, but most definitely subscribe so you do not miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later in those videos as well.